In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to debug using MCreator. Debugging will help us solve problems by ourselves easily by allowing us to see where things go wrong in our procedures. In this test case I created two biomes, one with a 0.5 temperature and the other with a 0.2 temperature. Let's create a procedure that does something based on biome temperature. In-game, we find out that nothing is happening. So what causes this issue? Using debugging, we'll be able to find out ourselves. Create the following. Now add a variable that we want to check. Since we are using onPlayerTick, we want to limit the spam of our messages, so let's add a simply counter that will ensure we'll only play our procedure every 100 ticks, instead of every single tick. Let's also check two messages to see if the if statements return true or not. If they do, then we will get a message and learn that the problem lies with the set time to number. Let's try this again with debug messages. Thanks to our debug messages, we have learned that the biome temperature is significantly higher than any value we set inside of the biome mod element. We also notice that we typically get 50 and typically get 20, both of which correspond with the values we set inside of the biome mod element multiplied by 100. We also observe that there's something causing slight fluctuation in the numbers for biome temperature. With biome temperature numbers this high, it's unsurprising that neither if statements are true and thus we don't see either of those two messages. With what we've learned from debugging, let's see if we can fix our procedure. Since the biome temperature number slightly changes, we need to check for a range of numbers and we are sure to do is multiplied by 100. As you can see, we have fixed the problem and can now see the messages. Now we're successful, we can remove all the debug messages from our procedure.